Welcome to the Senior Spark channel. In this video, we'll talk about how to simplify your wardrobe in one afternoon. Before we dive into the steps, let's discuss why simplifying your wardrobe is essential. Too many clothes can make it difficult to find what you need, frustrating and time-consuming. It can also lead to clutter and disorganization in your closet, making it hard to keep your clothes in good condition. By simplifying your wardrobe, you can save time, reduce stress, and ensure that your clothes are always in good shape. Step 1. The first step to simplifying your wardrobe is to remove everything from your closet. Yes, everything. This can be overwhelming, but it's an important step to take. Once everything is out of your wardrobe, you can sort through your clothes and decide what to keep and get rid of. Step 2. Sort your clothes into 3 piles: keep, donate, and toss. The keep pile should be for clothes that you love and wear regularly. The donate pile should be for clothes that are still in good condition but that you don't wear anymore. Finally, the toss pile should be for damaged or worn out clothes. Step 3. When you're going through your clothes, be ruthless. Don't hold on to things you haven't worn in years or that don't fit anymore. If you need to decide whether to keep something, ask yourself if you would rebuy it today. If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Step 4. Consider your lifestyle when deciding what to keep and what to get rid of. Think about your activities and the clothes you need for those activities. For example, if you're retired, you may need fewer business clothes than you used to. On the other hand, if you're active and enjoy outdoor activities, you may need more casual attire. Step 5. Another thing to consider when you're simplifying your wardrobe is color and style. Stick to a color palette that works for you, and you enjoy wearing it. This will make it easier to mix and match your clothes. Similarly, focus on a few key styles that you love and that work well for your body type. Step 6. Once you've decided what to keep, it's time to organize your closet. Hang up your clothes neatly and use organizers like shelves, drawers, and hangers to maximize your space. Keep things visible and accessible to find what you need quickly and easily. Step 7. Once you've simplified your wardrobe, it's essential to maintain it. This means regularly going through your clothes and removing anything you no longer wear or need. It also means taking care of your clothes by washing them and storing them correctly. By doing these things, you can ensure that your wardrobe stays simple and organized. Remember, it's important to be ruthless when going through your clothes and focusing on keeping only the things you love that work well for your lifestyle and body type. And there you have it. Those are my tips for simplifying your wardrobe in one afternoon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the Senior Spark channel next time. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on senior living, and visit seniorelements.com for more expert advice and resources.